In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can disable mobile data for apps on Android. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. If you want to disable mobile data for specific apps on your Android phone, this is what you can do. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to swipe up and then go into your settings. Once you're in settings, you can use the search bar and type mobile data, and then you'll see mobile data. You can tap onto mobile data, and then you want to scroll down, and then you can see my mobile data is on, and then at the top of that it says allowed networks for apps. Okay, tap onto allowed networks for apps, and then you can see all your available apps. So let me scroll down and find an app. And you can see here Brave says mobile data or Wi-Fi. You can tap onto that and you can make it Wi-Fi only. Then Brave will not use any sort of mobile data. And then for an example, if I go to Capitec, and then I can also set that to Wi-Fi only, and then the mobile data will be turned off for that app. Okay, and that's what you can do. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.